In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get IKEA family coupons and deals, a fantastic way to stretch your shopping budget while enjoying the myriad of stylish home furnishings that IKEA has to offer. It's fairly straightforward, and together we'll walk you through every step necessary to unlock potential savings. Let's start with the very first thing you need to do, which is to sign up for the IKEA family membership. You might be wondering why this step is essential. Well, becoming an IKEA family member opens the door to a host of exclusive discounts and special offers, not to mention the fact that signing up is completely free. To get started, simply head over to their website and look out for the IKEA Family Membership section. The website is quite user-friendly, and you'll likely find the membership sign-up option right at the top or prominently displayed on their homepage. Fill out the required details to create your membership account, and that's it. You are a proud member of the IKEA family. Once you're signed up and all set with your membership, you're now entitled to start enjoying the discounts, deals, and perks that come with it. Now, this is where the real fun begins. You'll gain access to member prices on a variety of products, and there are often additional discounts that are exclusively available to members. Check your email regularly since IKEA often sends out notifications about upcoming sales and special promotions for family members. The next step is to explore the offers and promotions available on the IKEA website itself. Spend a bit of time here, as it's the best way to discover what's currently available. Visit the IKEA website and look for a tab or section titled Offers and Promotions. This section is where they showcase all the available deals, which might include discounts on popular product lines, seasonal promotions, and limited time offers. It's a good idea to visit this section frequently, especially if you are planning a big purchase or home makeover, as the offers can change frequently. Once you've clicked on the Offers and Promotions section, you will be greeted with a plethora of amazing deals waiting for you to take advantage of. Whether you're eyeing a new kitchen setup, a comfy new bed, or simply need to stock up on home essentials, you're likely to find something that fits your needs at a great price. IKEA deals often span various departments, covering everything from furniture and fittings to cookware and textiles. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can consistently keep an eye on IKEA's best offers and make the most of being an IKEA family member. Remember, the key is to stay proactive by regularly checking back for new deals. So, happy shopping and enjoy the rewards of your IKEA family membership.